Today I want to talk about shower steamers and the new design that I have. It's a flower shower steamer design. It has a little bit of mica on it. So it's a Wilton mold, and it's blue right here, and see it makes quite a few of them. And I did get this from Amazon. I don't have a link, affiliate link yet, but I'm working on it. It's just a little bit of gold mica and some rubbing alcohol, and this is 91% rubbing alcohol. So this is a lavender mica is what it is, and so I'm going to use a pipette. Okay, I will do the gold first. And I'm just doing just to add a little bit of design element to it. Nothing crazy. So now they're decorated, and I will let this dry overnight. Let me just zoom it in for you. So that's what they look like, and I will let them, like I said, dry overnight, and it should be really nice. Very pretty, and I will package it up the next day. Okay, I'll see you next Tuesday, and thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It helps to get it out there in the YouTube world. And if you are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. Okay, I'll see you next Tuesday, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.